What is going on, everybody? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I had a long, hard, stressful day, but you guys don't really care to hear about that. But behind me sits my 2003 Ford F350 6.0 Power Stroke Turbo Diesel. Now, this looks good compared to what it looked like this morning. I just wanted to go ahead and shoot an intro. And first off, I wanted to go ahead and say that I am no detail professional by any means. So this is just what works for me. This actually was what worked for this truck. I decided to try the new dish soap here, and it actually ended up working absolutely killer, as you're about to see. So here we're gonna go ahead. I used mean green. That was just sort of for some degreaser under the hood. We used Palmolive, basically dish detergent, and we used white diamond metal polish. Now you're probably wondering why there's a wire wheel on here, and you'll probably see it in the video. I think I actually took the video for it, and by in no means am I saying go ahead and try this on your aluminum or polished wheels, but these things were corroded when I first started it. And I'll go ahead and roll the footage, and then I'll explain everything that I got into with why I used the wire wheel. But it came out freaking killer, so I gotta admit I like it. The reason I'm okay with it is because we're gonna actually end up painting some things. But roll the footage from today, and I'll pick back up and explain the wire wheel and how I got the wheels to look as good as they do. The difference already in just one quick little wash, wish, wash, whatever you want to call it, is incredible. Now the wheels definitely still need a lot of attention here, as they are freaking grimy, but I mean, for this thing being a 263,000 mile work truck, it actually cleaned up rather well. So we're gonna keep going, guys. I just wanted to kind of show you guys a little before and after. You can definitely tell by the hood that this thing was grody. I don't know if grody is still a word, but holy cow, that is terrible. So I'll also show you like this door trim here, and then I'll take you to the other side and show you that one. Like you can see, like the door seal on this side, disgusting. Same thing over here, absolutely disgusting. We're going over to the other side. I do have some leather cleaner and things that we're going to use, but going over here to this side, it is freaking cleaning up rather well. So I still have to do like up across. You can see I just stopped here just because I wanted to kind of give you guys like a real before and after, but you can see what it used to look like here. Then you see how clean it actually comes out here, and then again you go back down, that's what it was over to this. Absolutely disgusting. Same with this. Look how well this actually cleaned up. Now there is still some spots that I'm gonna go ahead and touch up, but this was just a quick little first, well, what do you want to call it, a first quick little detail. And then by the end of this video we're gonna have like 2 or 3 washes done to this thing and probably a buff. I'm literally gonna spend all day today just buffing this thing out to making it look freaking fantastic. Now again, obviously I can't buff out the dents, I can't buff out like, you know, like this probably all won't come out. I can't buff out like all of everything, but it is what it is, guys. Trying to make this thing look as good as possible. That might actually come out. Again, phone's always going crazy. Look at the back pillar there, man, look how shiny it is, and then look at the rest. Even the window from there to just there, insane how disgustingly dirty this truck was. So I'm gonna keep plugging and chugging, guys. You get to see me without a hat on because it is hot already, and it's only, I think, 9:30 or 10 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, 9:55 in the morning, and we've already got this thing pretty well cleaned up. So I'm gonna keep plugging and chugging. Oof. Look at the difference from there to there. I'm not sure if you've seen me actually clean it right there. Not sure what all the GoPro's picking up, but I gotta say, sort of impressed with that Meguiar's cleaner so far. Now I'm sure guys that do detailing for a living, there's better things out there for it, and you know, whatever, what have you, but it's what I got, it's what I'm using, so bear with me. One side down. This thing is absolutely coming out amazing, as you can tell. Now I do still got a lot of cleaning to do. I still have basically that whole half of the truck, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of a brief. This side of the truck, it looks freaking killer. I still have to do like in the actual door cards and everything. You see I vacuumed them out, but I still got to clean inside there. This thing is cleaning up fantastic. The door, I'll put a before and after of the door. The door looks freaking killer. Oh, kind of wish I would have started at like 5 a.m. now instead of 8 because it's getting hot. But on to the other side, center console I have just about done too. You can see that looks way better. I still have to do like down around the bottom and the base, but the top looks freaking killer. Cup holders are all cleaned out. As you know, I'm gonna clean it. This is just like a first base cleaning. Definitely takes a lot longer than you think to do the cleaning. The rest of it actually looked like that all through there, so a lot more work to go. Alrighty, so what a long day. Basically, long story short, what I did was I took the wire wheel, and all of the like pitting that you've seen in the early portions of it is actually like pitting, like basically the clear coat coming off. So I think what we're gonna do is end up painting these wheels. I mean, yes, you can see the scratches in it, you can see the gouges. If I really wanted to, I could probably polish all of that out, throw another clear coat over it, and it would probably look fantastic, but we're not gonna do that. You know, I probably actually won't even keep these wheels, but my thought process to doing like stuff like this is what I might end up doing is taping off like this ring here, and then these spokes, tape off the spokes, and just go ahead and paint this here copper to match the brake caliper, and this outer lip. I might just do this real quick outer lip, just the same copper that you see on the inside there, and the same copper that you see and all that. So it would leave all of this polished. This would stay polished, and again, like this would be copper, 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 and then just a ring around it. So I can't complain one bit how this thing turned out. I have a lot of time into it, I'm not gonna lie. I started at 8 o'clock this morning, and I just now finished up, and I believe it's like 6:30 this evening. So came out absolutely killer. I'm gonna do a quick little brief rundown of the thing. As you can tell, the hood came out fantastic. All the sap and all that was on the doors came out great. Opening into the cab, as you can tell, the cab actually surprised me. It came out freaking killer, and this was the first time I've really spent a lot of time doing a cab, like an interior and things like that. So I'm extremely pleased of how the interior came out. I'm gonna roll a little bit of footage. Actually, I'll just show you here real quick, you know, where I'm at, and then I'll put a slow-mo at the end. But this door came out amazing. I'm still gonna try to like clean out the door trims and things like that a little bit better than what it was, but I have a lot of time in this thing. Rear seats, they were actually in really good shape, but they came out even better. I still gotta do windows yet. Don't don't be mad at me for the windows. Again, I still have to do the windows, but I wanted to get the video out before it got dark. Center console came out freaking killer. There is no more dust and sawdust anywhere. Center console came out freaking killer. No marks on that. Even down in between, I tried to clean it out as best that I could. But I am super pleased with how this thing came out. You can see I tried to clean in the door jambs up here. That door card came out absolutely fantastic. I'll go over to the other side real quick and show you that side. All right, you can see this side came out absolutely killer also. Got our door jambs and everything looking fantastic. Door cards came out fantastic. Down along here, whoop, a little bit of some schmutz. I might have grazed that with my foot trying to climb in there and get the back seat down. But this thing came out freaking amazing. I am freaking pumped. I'm excited and I cannot wait. The turbo should be here actually tonight. I'm gonna run and actually go pick it up here soon in a couple minutes, but we'll have the turbo done. This thing should be able to hit the streets this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I mean, I have a lot of time into this. Just show me that you support me. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I'm excited. Like, even the front carpets are actually absolutely like flawless. There was a big stain in the back carpet. It's no longer, well, you can see a little bit there, but it's actually pretty well out. I did not dye this. I did not actually spray paint this. This is just literally cleaning. So I'm freaking excited. This thing came out killer and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So there you guys have it. Again, if you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in an upcoming video. Probably the turbo install or junkyard run for the Tahoe. I'm not really sure which one's going to happen first. Probably the turbo install, then the junkyard run for the radiator support and things like that. But take care, guys. We'll see you in the next video.